So I created a new project on CLION. For example, let's use the problem on the screen as our problems. So we want to find force of mass 100 kilogram with the gravity constant. I usually create different categories. So for instance, for this problem, I'm going to use class for constant data, and then for changeable data, so the data that I can change, let's say the mass in this case, and then the function to solve the problem. So this is how I do it. Make sure you set it up public. So other function, let's say main function, can access it. So this is the first class. So for the second class, for the data that you can change, then I will create a class called variable data because I can change that, and then set it public, and then double mass. So I have to create a statement for variable data, mass 100 kilogram. Then I usually like to put the unit next to it. So however, I put the solve problem inside the variable data. Double force equation. Let's say double force. So constant data, it means I pull it from the constant data. Then return force. And then from here, for the main, let's delete that. So I have to call variable data. This is like the alias. So variable data, then variable data. This is the alias. But I usually try to make it just the same, but just different capital letter. And then double for force. And then variable data. And then to print it. So let's see from the top. So we have one class, constant data. And then another class for changeable data or variable data with the function inside it, the function of force equations. And then in the main function, we can call the variable data and print the force value. Okay, let's run it. Right, so the result is 980 Newton. However, I found that working with one large data in one .cpp file is actually so much harder. So the next video, I'm going to talk about how to create header file. Anyway, bye.